Slow computers and unresolved technical glitches quickly impact core business operations, delaying invoice generation, blocking access to customer histories, and stalling management reporting. As Peter Meredith, president and owner at Tech Eagles, notes, good managed IT starts with visibility. Hidden finance tickets or backup alerts make cost and risk harder to manage. Proactive managed IT services solve this by converting scattered technical issues into structured work streams with explicit ownership, continuous monitoring, and clear response SLAs across line-of-business applications. Beyond basic daily support, this operational framework mitigates business risk through verified backup restore evidence, endpoint security management, scheduled patch timing, and routine access reviews. Embedding these practices into regular operations transforms compliance into an everyday discipline, providing documented audit trails, vulnerability records, and incident response readiness without last-minute scrambling. Furthermore, gaining clear visibility into asset lifecycles, warranties, software renewals, and vendor contracts eliminates surprise expenses and ensures leadership maintains total control over technology investments. To learn how managed IT can bring operational clarity and risk control to your organization, read the full article and add this to your Spotify playlist.